These are the tools you'll need to assemble your storage building. Please review all assembly steps before construction and review the parts list to make sure all parts are included. To ensure proper assembly and performance, your storage building needs to be built on a solid, level surface. Concrete or a treated wood platform is recommended. Drill 2 pilot holes through the top surface of front floor at the indented locations. Place the back floor panel B onto the front floor panel. Ensure panel B overlaps panel A and align the ends. Secure the panels together with 9 AA screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Position panel C on the back left corner of floor panel B. Align panel C into the floor panel slots. Push downward until you hear a click. With the help of another person, position back wall panel D beside left panel, ensuring the dovetails align properly. Push downward until you hear the click. Position right wall panel E on the right side of floor B. Push downward until you hear the click. With the help of another person, hold right panel E upright until right back panel F is installed. Position right back wall panel F on the back of floor B. Ensure the dovetails align and the joint overlaps properly. Push downward until you hear the click. Slide 5 wall connectors, WC, into the slots between back panels D and F to secure the joint. Drill pilot hole using 1/8 inch drill bit in the front lower corner at the indented location on the interior side of wall panel G. Position the panel G beside C panel, ensuring the joint overlaps properly. Push downward until you hear the click. Slide 5 wall connectors, WC, into the slots between the back panels G and C to secure the walls. Drill pilot hole using 1/8 inch drill bit in the front lower corner at the indented location on the interior side of wall panel H. Repeat this process to install right front panel H to floor and panel E. Position 1 roof brace, RB, onto the side walls in the back section of the storage building. Place 1 roof M onto back section of the shed by aligning tongues on the back wall to the outside of the roof panel and aligning the tongues on the side walls into the grooves in the roof. Lower the roof onto the walls. From the outside of the shed, install 1 AA screw at each corner while a partner holds the edge of the roof down. Install the remaining 6 AA screws along the top of the back wall. While a partner holds the edge of the roof down, install 4 AA screws into the roof from inside the shed at each sidewall location to secure the roof brace RB to the roof. Position 1 roof brace RB onto the sidewalls in the front section of the storage building. Place front roof J onto front section of the shed. Lower the roof onto the walls and align roof brace RB into pocket in roof J. Install 4 roof pins. Insert the pin into the slot, push through, and rotate until you hear the click. Install left door L and right door K into the hinge sockets of front floor A and front roof J. While a partner holds the edge of the roof down, install 4 AA screws into the roof from inside the shed at each sidewall location to secure the roof brace RB to the roof. Secure wall panels to the floor panels with 8 AA screws. Push lock hasp X into the slot on left door L until you hear the click. Install door handle T on left door L. Secure with 4 AA screws. Repeat for the right door K. Congratulations! Your 4-foot 7.25 inch by 4-foot 3.5 inch storage building is complete and ready for use.